Welcome to Gadget Solution. Unboxing and initial setup. Unbox the system, remove the Atlas 6 units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable from the packaging. Place the main unit, router, near your modem and position the satellite units around your home for optimal coverage. Connecting the main unit. First, power off your modem, unplug your modem from the power source. Second, connect the main unit to the modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect the main unit, router, to your modem. Third, power on your modem, plug your modem back into the power source and wait for it to fully restart. Fourth, power on the main unit, connect the main unit to a power source and wait for the LED to turn solid. Setting up the network. First, download the app. Download the linksys app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Second, create a linksys account. If you don't have a linksys account, create one through the app. Third, follow the app instructions. Open the app and follow the instructions to set up your new network. This will include naming your network, SSID, setting a password, connecting to the new network with your device. Final configuration. First, update firmware. Check for any available firmware updates through the linksys app and update your system to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Second, customize settings. Use the linksys app to customize additional settings, such as guest networks, parental controls, and device prioritization.